Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Android OTA updates with Verizon, complete guide step by step clearly. To start the process of downloading Android OTA updates with Verizon, ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Next, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on About Phone or System, depending on your Android version. Look for the System Updates option and select it. Your device will begin checking for available updates. If an update is found, you'll see an option to download it. Tap on Download to begin the process. The update will download in the background, and you can monitor its progress. Once the download is complete, a prompt will appear asking you to install the update. Select Install Now to start the installation process. Your device will restart to apply the update. After the installation, your phone will boot up with the latest Android version. To verify the update, return to the About Phone or System section in Settings. Check the Android version number to ensure it reflects the latest update. If no updates are available, you will receive a message indicating that your system is up to date. Repeat this process regularly to keep your device updated with the latest features and security patches. Always ensure that your battery is charged or your device is plugged in during the update process. Lastly, if you encounter any issues, consult Verizon's support page for troubleshooting steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.